Okay, now we're going to do a floral pattern using the shape tool and the pucker and bloat function. We're going to use a polygon. I'm going to select the polygon, come on over, and I'm not going to actually make a shape, I'm just going to click. When I click, it allows me to select a number of sides and how big of a radius I want. So number of sides, I'll go with 10 on this one, and I'll leave it at 50 points for the radius and say OK. There's my shape. You'll see that I already have a gradient applied to it. Now to pucker and bloat. I might struggle finding it real quick, but I think it's right here, pucker bloat. Okay, so it's one of those that's nested underneath everything. You got to go to Effects, Distort and Transform, and then pucker bloat. Select that. Okay, now instantly, because I have preview set and I already had it at 109%, that's what it gives me. So I can continue to bloat, and it obviously changes the look and gets a little cool. And when I pucker, it goes this direction. So you can see we get two neat effects with pucker and bloat. And I'm going to go extreme on this one. I'm going to leave it just like this just to make it different than that and say OK. Alright, now we start off with a polygon, and you can see that I still have that path that exists. Alright, and to really exaggerate that, if I were to give it a stroke, that path still exists, and when you stroke it, it now is its own shape. Okay, so what we need to do is make this shape its own, no longer the polygon. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is I'll get rid of my strokes. I don't want that on there. Make sure that I have the shape selected, which I do, and I'm going to go to Object, Object and Expand Appearance. Okay. If we were to zoom in on this, you'd see that this has its own path now around each one of the petals. Okay, so that is making a floral design with pucker and bloat.